Assalamualaikum and a very greetings to Dr. Muhammad Jeffrey. So this is me. My name is Muhammad Nusai Fitri bin Muhammad Fraser, and I am from Bachelor of Forensic Sciences. And today I will present to you my assignment 2, which is a slide presentation titled Mysterious Poisoning, which is a VOC or volatile organic compound analysis in the body fluids. All right, so let's diving into the slides. Okay, so this is a table of content. So first of all, I will explain to you the case details, and after that, the strength of the VOC analysis. So we're going to talk about the limitation of VOC analysis and how the future development regarding to this analysis and what's the impact of this analysis in the forensic sciences. All right. So first of all, I will talk about the case details. So we're gonna talk about a little background of this case. So a 35 years old businessman was found unconsciously in his hotel room and later was pronounced dead at hospitals. So upon inspection, there is no visible injuries or signs of struggle but present which reason of suspicion of or diagnosis of poisoning. So the initial toxicology reports show that there is no traces of common poisons. So this is leading to the forensic investigations to analyze the volatile organic compounds, or we call it as VOC in the victim's body fluids, right? So the sample collected in this case is blood, urine, and saliva. So all of these samples were collected and were analyzed for the VOC. And for the environmental samples from the hotel rooms, we got, in this case, they got the air and food residue. So were also tested. And what is the analytical methods for this case? They are using specifically a GCMS, which is a gas chromatography mass spectrometry. So this GCMS was used to identify the VOC in the body fluids, right? And then they are using the headspace scan and also the solid phase microextraction SPME. So SPME was used to extract the VOC from the sample efficiently. Sorry. So the findings in this case is there is a high concentration of chloroform and benzene derivative uh, from the blood and urine samples, which were collected just now. And there's a levels of acetone and ethanol suggested in this case. All right. And then there is also a sign of tetrachloroethylene, which is a dry cleaning agent. So this cleaning agent was found in the victim's breath. So that's all for the case details. So we're gonna talk about what is the strength for the VOC analysis in this all these body fluids. First of all, VOC analysis can detect invisible toxins. So VOC analysis can identify chloroform and benzene derivative in this in the body in the victim's body fluids. And then also VOC analysis can identify the inhaled and absorbed toxins. So because VOC analysis can reveal that the victim was exposed to volatile substance through inhalation and skin absorption. So this is because of the Beer-Lambert laws, which is applied in this case. Then the strength of VOC analysis is VOC analysis is non-invasive and comprehensive testing. So VOC can be detected in various body fluids, allowing for more detailed and less invasive toxicological examinations. VOC analysis also is high sensitivity and specificity. So it is very sensitive, so it can detect a very minute samples. So like, for example, like GCMS and SPME, which was used in this case, it provided the precise identification of trace levels of VOCs. And what is the correlation with the environmental evidence? So we got the presence of tetrachloroethylene in the victim's breath, matched the VOCs which was found in the crime scenes of crime investigation scenes. Next, so this is the limitation of VOC analysis. So VOC can be degraded rapidly. So all these volatile organic compounds will degrade quickly in the body and also in the environment because they can evaporate into the air, and also in the body they can be degraded from the metabolisms and going into the different of byproducts. So secondly, it is environmental contamination. VOC are present in various environmental sources, so which can lead to false positive analysis or contaminations during the sample collection and analysis also. And then there's a difficulty in differentiating between the natural and external sources. So some VOCs, like the byproduct from this case, which is acetone and ethanol, can also be naturally produced by our own body. So it will making it very challenging for forensic investigator to distinguish it. And then it has a limited standardized reference data. So VLC database are still developing, and VLC data is very restricted, and it will be making it harder to compare the result with established toxicity. So also limitation of VOC analysis is there's influence of metabolic and physiological factors. So individual differences in metabolism, diet, and health condition can also affect the VOC levels. Okay, diet, some sort like heavy fatty diet also can uh, make it a disturbance in the VOC level. For the instrumentation and respective requirements, so this advanced technique that we use like a GCMS and also the SPME really needs a trained analyst to be able to conduct this analysis. From this case, they also highlight a few of future development. So one of it is how to enhance the detection methods. So we have to, from this case, they have to develop a more sensitive and rapid detection techniques as real-time mass spectrometry to identify VOCs, so which we can use in the investigation setup. And then we have to standardize the VOC database, so improve the accuracy of comparison and establish the toxicity threshold for various volatile compound, because all the database is standardized, so it will increase the chance of it to be accurate. And also they also highlight that a portable VOC detection devices in this case also for the future development, because implementation of handheld VOC analyzer for on-site investigation are very crucial, because it's very easy to use and easy to be carried anywhere else in the investigation settings. And then also, uh, not to forget to integrate with the AI and machine learning, because as our technology is developed, the use of artificial intelligence to analyze your patterns in variety fluids are very, very useful. So this is some of the impact in the forensic sciences, okay, for the POC analysis. So first is improved detection of covert poisoning and toxic exposure, because of VOC analysis helps detect volatile toxins that standard toxicology tests may miss. All right, and then it enhances the crime scene investigation. So the ability to analyze VOC in body fluid and the surrounding environment allows the forensic expert to reconstruct back the crime scenes effectively. And then non-invasive and versatile forensic tools, because VOC analysis can be performed on various body fluids, so it making it a minimally invasive and effective forensic method. So advancement in postmortem investigations, VOC profiling in cadavers can reveal decomposition pattern, cause of death, and also the time since death also. And application in drug and explosive detection, because VOC analysis is used in detecting uh, on various drugs and explosive substances. So it may be used in the counter-terrorism also. And I think that's all for my presentations. So if there is any question, please to WhatsApp me. And thank you for listening to my presentation. And I see you on next classes. Thank you very much. Bye bye.